Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to the Vital Health Pro channel. In this video, we will explore the wonders that eating 2 cloves a day can do for your body. Cloves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, but how can just 2 cloves a day impact your health? Let's discover how 2 cloves a day can change your life. Nutritional value of cloves. Cloves contain a variety of important nutrients such as manganese, vitamin K, fiber, iron, magnesium, and calcium. They are also rich in antioxidants and can fight inflammation. Eating 2 cloves a day can significantly improve your digestive health. Cloves help to alleviate stomach discomfort, reduce gas accumulation, and facilitate digestion. Supporting hair growth. Want your hair to grow stronger and healthier? Cloves nourish the hair roots with their minerals and vitamins, providing protection against fungal and bacterial infections on the scalp. Benefits to oral health. Cloves are also effective in maintaining oral health. Their natural antiseptic properties can alleviate tooth pain, freshen breath, and help prevent gum diseases. The unique antiseptic properties of cloves cleanse your mouth of bacteria and reduce the risk of infection. Eugenol, a miraculous component of cloves for oral health, eases toothache and freshens your breath. Positive effects on the respiratory system. Cloves play a significant role in combating respiratory ailments. Their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help to soothe coughs and cleanse the respiratory tract. A cup of hot clove tea can alleviate symptoms of colds and flu while also supporting your respiratory system. Benefits to skin health. Cloves work wonders for skin health. Their antioxidant and antimicrobial properties can help prevent skin infections, reduce acne and pimples. Clove oil as a natural skincare product nourishes and rejuvenates your skin. However, cautious use is important. Always dilute with a carrier oil and test for skin sensitivity in advance. Positive effect on energy levels and metabolism. Feeling frequently tired? Cloves can naturally boost energy levels. Known for accelerating metabolism, cloves invigorate the body and support more energy production. A cup of clove tea in the morning can help you feel more energetic throughout the day. Enhancing brain health. Regular consumption of cloves offers rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that support brain health and can help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. Fighting cellular damage and reducing inflammation in the brain, they improve memory, learning, and cognitive functions. Moreover, the stress and anxiety relieving effect of cloves has positive impacts on overall brain health and function. These properties make cloves a valuable food item for supporting brain health and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Regulating blood sugar. Research shows that cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels, which can be especially beneficial for people with diabetes. Strengthening the immune system. The antioxidant and antimicrobial properties of cloves can strengthen your immune system. This helps protect against common diseases like colds and flu. Improving sleep quality. Struggling with sleep problems. Cloves are known for their calming properties and can provide deeper, more restful sleep. Try clove tea for a peaceful night's rest. General health benefits. Cloves offer a wide range of health benefits from digestion to boosting the immune system. They help regulate blood sugar, and their antioxidant properties protect the body against free radicals. Just 2 cloves a day can have numerous positive effects on your health. From digestion to oral health, blood sugar regulation to boosting your immune system, never underestimate the power of this small spice. Explore cloves as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle, and see how your body transforms. Thank you for watching our video. For more content, don't forget to subscribe to our Vital Health Pro channel and turn on notifications.